Hey, it's Todd. All right. Last time, simple test script. Look at this. We got this thing. We run it, test example, and we pass a program, the name of the program that we want to test, right? And it does its thing. Well, okay. That is not as easy to use as something we could just run a command and then wrap our program in some kind of directory that has the testing files in it already, right? Because we can't, it's kind of tedious to copy and paste the program to this test directory and then change the parameters. Well, not. It's just easy if we can do this. Look at this. Check this out. Square. We wrote this. We've got this program here. Square number.py. Simple thing. Gets input, multiplies two numbers, number twice actually, right? And then we just do set up testing environment square number.py. Check it out. Oh, it wrapped it in a directory. So now we just go in, look at this. What's in here? This is the files that are required to test it. Okay, so now we just have this input, 3 test cases, 5, 0, and -1, and that should be 25, 0, and 1, right? Squared. 25, 0, and 1, and then 25, 0, and 1, right? We got that going on, and then we just copy these into this directory here, right? Replace, and then cd square number and /test script square a number. Check it out. Look at this. Oh yeah, okay. We need to pass in the number of arguments. 1. There we go. 1 input. Okay, look at this. Each test case, it tells you if it passed or if it failed. Now, so there's 2 differences here, right? This is good. This is good stuff, right? Look at this. Easy, right? gedit, or actually let's do less, readme. Okay, so how does this work? This source directory just has to stay here because there's a link. Okay, so you have the test file somewhere, and then you run these commands. You make the home, make a bin directory if it's not already there. Then you remove the command if it's already there, and then you create it if it's not there, and then you set as executable right here, and then you basically put this command into the file we just created, and then you're making it executable, right? And then you just run this to do it. So okay, so how does setup test environment work? Let's do this. Set up test environment, easy. This just makes a directory with a new script name, and then it copies the source file, source directory, all the files in the test files, right? And then we move the program right here. Easy stuff, right? Check this out. What's the difference between the 2 test scripts? Okay, look at this. We got a loop here. Easy stuff. See? Before, we just had test example right here. This is the loop we did before to assert. Okay? This is just simple formatting here. Easy, right? So easy stuff. We planned it out, maybe use some paper if we needed to, and here we go. Here we got it. Now, Okay, this, hopefully you learned something about operating systems, about Bash and Linux, and how to program. But this would be kind of reinventing the wheel. Now we're going to be getting into using just the testing framework that the language come with. We're using Python, and we're going to be getting into learning how to program and how to do it right, how to do it well.